and I'm up here at the starting point of the Wyoming BDR. I just wanted to check it out here today and take a little bit more wear off the existing tires I have on the WR, so I can get those replaced this week and put on the Meteor tires. So it looks like this is going to be a nice slow gravel road with ruts type of ride. So who knows how long it'll take me. I'm not very fast. And I got a week to ride this. Well, that includes getting back home as well. So I don't know how many sections I'll make, you know. Some of this stuff I only go 20, 25 mile an hour, and that's it. I don't want to crash up and do face plants with the bike, so I'll just take my time, and whatever I can do, I can do. But I'm going to enjoy it, enjoy the ride, and take my time. But and there, we're coming around to the WR that's parked in the shade. So that'd be it. Well, good evening. We're starting off here about August 27th, and we're going to ride section 1 of the BDR. This is Wild Horse Road that we're starting on, and we're just going to ride up here a little ways and go do a little camping, and then finish off part of this section tomorrow. This is the one section that we never rode because we come up earlier from Hayden on 80, then just cut over to 70 and grab the rest of section 1. So I thought it'd be fun to come up here and just ride this part of the section, do a little camping, and call it good. Again, it's getting late in the summer here. Anyway, time's about 6:30. It got rained on a few times coming up here from Craig. Just little 5-minute showers, that's about it. So the road so far is dry up here, so let's get started and see what we can find, I guess. We'll just do that. And go from there. Yeah, it's a pretty nice evening here. And we're just going to ride this. We're going to ride this section over to Wyoming Road 70, and then we're done with section 1. This is just one I didn't get a chance to ride. So I thought it'd be fun this weekend to do it. But you know, I don't know how much more motorcycle time I'm going to get to ride, you know, here in August. We're just about up to September now, and my schedule's pretty booked, so I thought I better get out this weekend if I'm going to ride. So that's what we're doing. I'm not a very fast ADV rider or dual sporter. I'm more of a trail putt-putt type guy. Keep the bike up and just ride and enjoy. Kind of neat looking down there. There's likely one of those clouds that kind of busted me earlier with rain, those type of things there. I think what this part of section 1 is good for is just overseeing the hills, down the valleys. This is a beautiful time to be riding right now. Really good for video as well as taking pictures and stuff like that. Look at this stuff. Isn't that cool? Looking down on the sagebrush there. Got these little cross trails. Look at that. Couple cows in the bottom. I gotta watch where I'm going instead of watching the camera. There's a goat, doe, and a fawn there. If you guys can see the decline there, it's a steep decline. It may not look that way on the camera though. I just know it on the video. I'm climbing a hill now. Yeah. Well, we're kind of looking, still riding, kind of looking for a tree to camp under. You know, have a few trees by would be nice, but I don't know. Maybe about 7 o'clock here. So, we'll see what comes up here. Usually I'm kind of on these type of rides, a last minute camper. Get my camp set up before dark. We're just out in the middle of frickin' nowhere, and I'm telling you, there is nothing out here but BDR riders. That's all there are. Motorcycles and cows and antelope and coyotes. And right now I'm riding at hours where the motorcycles really aren't out. They're all at the motels in bag. So I am it on this ride, I think. Private property. Well, good evening. It's about 8 o'clock and I was kind of late finding my camp spot. I've been riding through a lot of private land here on section 1, but I think I'm good to go. I'm pretty sure I'm on BLM. It's one of those rides that looks like property, looks pretty open and no ranching equipment, so I hope I'm good, but it's the way it kind of goes. Looks like I'm in an old hunting camp here. That's kind of what I looked for. And so I'm just going to call it good and sleep here tonight and get up in the morning and have everything packed just in case I'm not in the right place. But oh well, that's adventure riding. You know, that's how it goes. I know a lot of ATV riders that pull this same stunt that I do on the tat. You know, find a place to camp and call it good, but at least I think it's where I'm at. So anyways, show you a little bit where I'm at with the property here, or the tent, what I want to say. There's the tent there, got that all set up. I got some quaking aspens right behind me here, along with some brush. So I'm up a little bit in high country here. I don't know, I'm guessing I'm probably 7,800, somewhere in there. Anyways, lots of clouds. Not a bad road on section 1. I don't think I'm going to get mudded out if it rains tonight. I got about another 20 miles to get down to the pavement and I should be good. But what I wanted to do is come up here and camp, and probably my last trip camping for the summer. Well, there's hunting season, of course, so I do a lot of camping there. But as far as motorcycling goes, I'm about done, and have a lot of thoughts for the end of the season here for me anyways. I don't know about the solo stuff. I think I'm about done with that, and I probably talked about it before. Kind of ready for somebody to ride with, somebody similar style that I do. Not in a hurry, takes it easy on the roads, just out for a good time, but not out for a rat race. It's kind of what I'm looking for. Somebody older, maybe has a 250 or 400 or smaller. I don't care. I could even ride with 125s. That's fine with me. I'm in no hurry, and I enjoy the scenery and all that when I'm riding. So anyways, I'll be looking more, and if you're interested next summer, look me up at Jim Payne ADB. Maybe we can go riding for sure. Anyways, it's kind of fun taking this nighttime last minute video. That's what it is, last minute video here. It's all getting dark. So I guess we'll check in with you guys later, and we'll see what goes on later tonight.